Welcome all. இது வந்து என்னோட ஒரு ஹாப்பியஸ்ட் மொமெண்ட் இன் மை லைஃப். ஆக்சுவலி என்னோட ஒரு ஹாப்பியஸ்ட் மொமெண்ட் இன் மை லைஃப். ஆக்சுவலி வந்து இந்த ஈகோவர்சிட்டி அப்படிங்கிற இந்த கான்செப்ட் வந்து ஐ வாண்ட் டு மேக் இட் இட்ஸ் மை ட்ரீம். ஆக்சுவலி we have to learn what we like to do. ஓகே, இப்போ வந்து நம்ம 12th வரை படிக்கிறது வந்து ஓகே இட்ஸ் ஒரு பேசிக் ஒரு ப்ரோக்ராமிங் அதுபடி நம்ம பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கோம். பட் நமக்கு பிடிச்ச சில விஷயங்களை லேர்ன் பண்ணணும் அப்படிங்கிறதுக்காக தான் இந்த ஈகோவர்சிட்டிங்கிற கான்செப்ட் கொண்டு வந்தது. அண்ட் ஐ எம் ஹாப்பி டு இன்வைட் விஷ்ணுப்ரியா. விஷ்ணுப்ரியா வந்து எனக்கு பார்த்தீங்கன்னா அவங்களோட ப்ரீகேஜிலேருந்து எனக்கு விஷ்ணுப்ரியாவை தெரியும். பிகாஸ் என்னோட சன்னோட ஸ்கூல்மேட் அவங்க. அண்ட் ஐ எம் ஹாப்பி தட் ஐ எம் இன்ட்ரடியூசிங் மை ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ப்ரோக்ராம் வித் ஹர். ஐ திங்க் இது வந்து ரொம்ப லாங் நமக்கு போகணும் வித் காட்ஸ் பிளெஸிங். அண்ட் அதுக்கு இப்போ விஷ்ணுப்ரியா வந்து இந்த ப்ரோக்ராம் ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணுறதுக்கு முன்னாடி ஃபர்ஸ்ட் வந்து இளவேணி எங்கள் ப்ராஜெக்ட் கோஆர்டினேட்டர் வந்து ஒரு நோட் வந்து ரீட் பண்ணுவாங்க அபவுட் தட் ஈகோவர்சிட்டி. Then after that Vishnupriya will introduce herself and she will start the program. Best wishes, Vishnupriya.
Thank you.
Ilaveni, you can continue the document, that reading the document.
Okay, ma'am. Good morning, everyone. Welcome you all to the Covais Ecoversity Learning Program. Myself, Ilaveni, I am working as a project coordinator in Covais Foundation Chamber of Agriculture.
Hi, I'm Vishnupriya. I'm currently doing my second year in BCom Accounts and Finance in MOP Vaishnav College. And I'm also a classical dancer. I've been learning classical dance for the past 12 years. And I'm currently learning advanced HTML in my college. And having gained quite an amount of confidence in the basics of HTML, I thought, why not share it with people who might not have much knowledge about it. So that's how this session came into existence. So we'll go into the session. Thank you for joining. And thank you to Auntie and for this platform. So during this pandemic, what made our lives easier, we could definitely say e-commerce platforms, online portals, because they made shopping for groceries or medicines and other essentials easier when stepping out of the house itself was a big threat to our lives. So adnala vandu e-commerce made our lives easier during this lockdown period in the pandemic. And one of the main reasons is for their success is that they online platforms have user-friendly interfaces. Front end vandu it's very attractive and easy to navigate and very customer-oriented maari irukkarnala it's very easier for the customers. So previously, even before the lockdown, nariya pair use pannala, nariya idu patti theriyadavanga appdinu yarana irundha kuda they have switched over to this and they find it more easier now to shop and also safer. So e-commerce is being considered as the future now. So in the madri website ivlo user friendly and interactive irukra websites ku pandradhukku there goes a lot of coding behind it. So I'll give you a glimpse of what goes in behind this. So this is how the coding will actually look like. Lots and lots of coding because as we saw in that the previous screen which I showed presented was actually the Amazon portal, online portal. So as you can see, there are lots of images of the products and various services they offer. So idella appear aarthukku there is a lot of coding that has to be keyed in. And in the madri coding there are programming languages that has to be keyed in. So other than there are many programming languages. So அதுல வந்து we have HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Python and advanced level programs, programming languages நிறைய இருக்கு. And அதுல basic is HTML. So we'll start with the basics of HTML. HTML documentல we can also employ CSS and JavaScript மாதிரியான programming languages can also be employed in HTML document. So first we will see what HTML actually is. So HTML it stands for, it is the abbreviation of Hypertext Markup Language. So it is the standard markup language for web pages. Any website create creating a website is not only useful for entrepreneurs to promote their own brand or themselves, but also to you can also, the web developing is now a most sought after service. So it can also be provided for other firms which hire for web developing services. So HTML, with HTML you can create your own website, and it can be assisted by technologies such as cascading style sheets and scripting languages such as JavaScript. CSS is what is known as cascading style sheets. So or a HTML document, you can also employ these languages, programming languages. And HTML is the code that is used to structure a web page and its content. So the content of a web page can be anything, or a set of paragraphs, a list of bulleted points using an image or data table, or anything that the it is at our own discretion. The எப்படி website, how our website should look like அப்படிங்கிறது. So how the content should look like, how our own discretion, but அதோட டிஸ்பிளே வந்து எப்படி கீ இன் பண்ணணும், அந்த எண்ட் ரிசல்ட் எப்படி இருக்கணும் அப்படிங்கறத கீ இன் பண்றது தான் we'll look into now. So this is the basic structure. ஒரு லெட்டருக்கு ஒரு ஃபார்மேட் இருக்கிற மாதிரி this is the basic structure of a web page. We start with the HTML tag, and HTML tag open பண்ணிட்டு we close it at the end of the coding, end of the content at the last. அதுக்கப்புறம் in between we open the header tag, and inside the header tag we open the title and title tag. So in the title tag open, this is the opening tag, this is the closing tag. So the opening tag is this one, and closing tag na hash the slash oda we'll close the tag. So that is the closing tag. So the content that is inside the opening and closing tag is what that will appear. And in the title tag la vandu what content we give, it will appear in the tab, at the tab la mela description that will only appear. So we have to make sure that it's catchy, and we can even add a logo. Adalamo add panna, it will be more attractive. So for example, this is one basic thing I coded. So idhula vanda so you can see the heading, what is HTML, and then 4 lines, 4 sentences in 4 different lines. So idoda coding vanda paakano appadina, you right click on the page and click on view page source. You can, this applies for any website. So if you go and view the page source, you can see the coding. As you can see, I followed the structure of a basic web page. I opened the HTML tag, closed it at the end of the content, and then I've opened the header tag, and inside the header tag I have given opened and closed the title tag. So inga I've given learn HTML. Abdin I've keyed in. So that is what appears here in the tab. It appears in the learn HTML, it will appear. So that is all about the header tag. And this tag opening and closing of a tag உள்ள இன்னொரு tag open பண்ணி close பண்றது பேரு nested tags. Nested tags, an example of nested tag is this one, and many other tags we will see, but this is one primary example. Next one, I open the body tag. So body tag open பண்ணதுக்கு அப்புறமா தான் வந்து அதுக்குள்ளதான் அந்த வெப்சைட்டோட heading and all other various things will be added. So adla heading ku vandu h1 is the tag that I have opened and closed. Heading ku there are 7 tags, each of different sizes, wherein h1 is the largest in size, h1 tag, and h7 is the least in size. So since I've given h1, inga vandu this is the maximum size for a heading, h1 the largest size. Idey na vandu if I've given h7 inga and closed it here appadina, then it will appear as smaller. It will appear very small. It will be very small. Heading will be very small. So in the heading வந்து I've opened and closed here, but அந்த heading கொடுக்கிறதுக்கு முன்னாடி உள்ள content what is HTML is the heading. So அந்த content கொடுக்கிறதுக்கு முன்னாடி I have to decide what color, what font it should be in. I've chosen Algerian, and it can be anything else, Times New Roman or any other type of font can be used, and same goes with color. I've chosen orange. Any other color at your own discretion can be used. And I've opened the font tag. So font tag open பண்ணிட்டு that face I've face is equal to I've given Algerian. Usually face is equal to அப்படின்னு கொடுத்து கொடுக்கிற value, if it is in text, it should always be in quotes, double quotes. Like you can see here, color is equal to orange. Orange should be in double quotes for the computer, for the program to recognize and understand. So it should be in double quotes. So face is equal to abdina, I've given Algerian, color is equal to orange, and that is why here you can see it comes in this font and in this color. Adukapram I then go to the start the paragraph tag, that is denoted by P and so paragraph, as I go into the paragraph, எனக்கு வந்து this is the content that I want to key in. So idila வந்து if I continuously type the sentence, or if I inga வந்து if I type sentences, enter press பண்ணி அடுத்து 4 lines type பண்ணேன் without this dr tag, without this dr tag, if I continuously type or next அடுத்த லைன்ல டைப் அப்படினாலும் எனக்கு வந்து அவுட்புட்ல வந்து it will appear as though continuous-ஆ ஃபுல்லா இந்த ஸ்கிரீன் ஃபுல்லா I will be getting the sentences. இந்த மாதிரி தனி லைன்ல it will not come. If not for this br tag, then இந்த sentences எல்லாம் 4 different lineல வராம it will be continuous. So that is the speciality of this break tag. So இது வந்து after a sentence, each and every sentence I have included this so that it appears as a different, it appears in different next lines. And then in the page I want the content to be, so adnala I have closed the body tag, and then I've also closed the HTML tag. So this is how basic for a example for a basic structure of a web page. And then going into text, we'll move on to further aspects of the basics of HTML, which are text formatting, lists, adding an image, adding links, emails, and anchors. So text formatting is nothing but இப்போ ஒரு டெக்ஸ்ட்லயே வந்து we want it to appear bold, we want it to appear in italics, or we want it to be emphasized, or இப்போ இதே ஒரு பிராண்டுக்கு மேல வந்து ட்ரேட்மார்க் இருந்ததுன்னா I want it to be appear, I want that to appear in a superscripted manner. அந்த மாதிரினா we'll have to specifically open these tags and then enter the text which we want to appear in that manner. இப்போ suppose I want a particular text to be bolded na, அந்த டெக்ஸ்ட்டுக்கு ஸ்டார்டிங்லயும் எண்ட்லயும் I have to open and close this B bold tag. B is for bold, I is for italic, and then mark, opening this mark and closing this mark tag will make this milk, the output la வந்து இந்த milk will be marked. மார்க் தான் தெரியும். அதுக்கப்புறம் வந்து சேம் கோஸ் ஃபார் டெலீட்டட் டேக். இப்போ இதே அவுட்புட்ல பார்த்தோம்னா இட் வில் அப்பியர் ஆஸ் திஸ் ப்ளூ will be striked out and will appear as deleted. It will appear since it is between this opening and closing of the deleted tag. And then இது வந்து for subscripted and superscripted text. So usually coding you can do it in your notepad and then save it with the .html extension. Illati you can also, if you want to try out coding and see odane side by side, you can also try other online HTML editors. There are many. So online HTML editors or a pro, one of the pro is that side by side you can run and see the output. So first delve into this text formatting and show an example. So here this story of the old man, this thing, idla vande this particular text, he was always gloomy, he constantly complained and was always in a bad mood, appears in bold. Ide people avoided him is normal line other line rule adhere panama, it's under the usual lining. So adanala this is subscripted, and idu vande it appears superscripted, and idu appears in italic, and as you can see this is deleted. So while if I go to this page source, you can see I have followed the same basic structure for web page, and content la vande after opening this body tag I have given bold, opened and closed. Yeah, I've opened the bold tag and I've closed it here. So inga vande he was always gloomy, and the sentence I have keyed in. So adanala here it appears in bold. Next sentence is people avoided him is a part of that sentence which I wanted to appear in a subscripted manner. So that is what you can see here in the output la. So next one, the superscripted. It was even unnatural and insulting. You can see it here. And then this is how a deleted text would appear. It will be striked out. And then emphasized text will appear like this. The nothing special, 80 years I've been chasing happiness. And then the last thing is don't chase happiness, enjoy your life. As adukanda I wanted to appear, I want it to be in bold as well as in italics, so it appears this way. I've opened the bold tag and also the italic tag, and in the tag vande content ku modala kitaka irukku, that tag we will close first, and then the next father tag. So adu close pannita. Now that is all the content I want in this web page. So now I close the body tag and I also close the HTML tag. So this is one example for text formatting. And ipo background color vande you can also, background color is also at your own wish. So and the background color can be given in the body tag. So bg color is equal to அப்படினா it should be as usual, bg color is equal to அப்படினு கொடுக்கிற value should be in double quotes. So I have given the color disk. It can also be any other color, but அது வந்து HTML supported colors ஆ இருந்தா it will be better. But mostly நிறைய with the latest version of HTML நிறைய colors are there. So next moving on to lists. Aunty, can you see my screen? Visible இருக்கா?
இன்னும் ஜூம் பண்ண முடியுமாமா? அந்த இதுக்கு முன்னாடி பண்ணும்போது நல்லா இருந்தது.
ஓகே.
பிரசன்ட்
அதான். So now moving on to lists. So list can be of two types, ordered இருக்கலாம், unordered இருக்கலாம். So if it is ordered அப்படினா வந்து the list items, listல இருக்கிற items will be numbered by default 1 2 3 4 5 6 அப்படினு வரலாம், இல்லாட்டி roman numerals வரலாம் or anything. But this coding which I have typed here, இதுபடி வந்து 1 2 3 4 5 6ல தான் வரும். And unordered list அப்படினா வந்து it will not be numbered, the list items will not be numbered, it will be in the form of bullets. So I have இந்த மாதிரி list வந்து for example grocery list or any other example list, we can use it for many other purposes. So for example, I have taken grocery list. So adukku I will show this coding how it will appear. First I'll show this one and then I'll show my grocery list coding. So here you can see I've opened the ordered list tag. So ordered list tag வந்து OL and this is the closing of the ordered list tag, and உள்ள வந்து list items ஓட tag வந்து opening and closing it. And list item வந்து if you want it to be turmeric, ginger or any other thing, you will type it here. So for example, I'm changing it to turmeric. It will then change automatically. Adiketa madri list items, if you want, you can change. I previously gave coffee, tea and milk. So here inga ordered list tag open panni close panni adukulla the list items oda tag I opened and closed. So inga ordered list அப்படினா அந்த OL போட்டதனால I am getting 1 2 3 before these list items. I'm getting 1 2 and 3. But இதே இந்த OL னு போடுறதுக்கு பதிலா if I type UL, that is it denotes unordered list. If it is for unordered list, இப்படி நான் டைப் பண்ணேனா then இந்த list itemsக்கு முன்னாடி I will not get 1 2 3, I will get bullet points, as you can see. So இதுதான் an example for basic example for list. இதே listல you can also have a nested list. Within a list you can have a subset of various other lists. So this is one grocery list example for grocery list for the week. So here the வந்து basic and ordered list குள்ள I have these unordered list, as you can see. So in the ordered listல வந்து இருக்கிறது வந்து black coffee, tea, milk, snacks, ginger and turmeric. And இதுக்குள்ள this ordered list குள்ள இருக்கிற unordered list வந்து unordered listல green tea, 11T, and the specifications are there. So if I view the page source of that website, I will get the coding. So as you can see, I've followed the usual web page format, and then body color I've given as body background color. I've included in the body tag. Body tag la you should include the background color, and இப்போ இதுல வந்து I wanted an ordered list for the main headings, black coffee, snacks அதுக்கெல்லாம். So அதுக்கு வந்து I have opened the ordered list OL tag, and then on the black coffee அப்புறம் அடுத்த ordered list item is tea. As you can see, first ordered list item is black coffee, next is tea. So இதுக்கு வந்து இந்த டீக்கு உள்ள unordered list are green tea and lemon tea is there. So அதுக்கு I have opened UL unordered list tag, and I closed it then and there, as you can see. And as usual, the list item வந்து you will open and close it. So அப்பதான் you'll recognize it as a list குள்ள இருக்கிற item. So that is necessary. So that is all about lists. Now we move on to adding an image. So adding an image is always very attractive and gives more idea about what a visual representation is always better. So for the basic coding, the coding for adding an image is as you can see, image src is equal to image.extension. The extension can be JPG or anything, and which should be in double quotes. Image.extension should be in double quotes, and then on the image வந்து you can adjust the size and width, height of the image, and you can even add borders to that image. So for example, here I have taken image source is coffeebeans.jpg. I've saved it as coffee bean. The coffee beans image is saved in the JPG format. So I have given that the image source. So image source is nothing but source of image தான் வந்து என்னன்னு we are giving it here. என்னன்னு computerல save ஆயிருக்கோ, download ஆயிருக்கோ, that is what we are giving it here. And width, I want the width to be 500. Height is equal to 600. It's all given in double quotes. And then again, the image source kulla, I can also add another thing, that is the border. So image tag, image open பண்ணதுக்கு அப்புறமா there is source, width, height, and then இந்த tag இப்படி க்ளோஸ் பண்றதுக்கு முன்னாடி I can even add border னு போட்டு that is equal to in double quotes I can give எவ்வளோ 4 or 5 something like that. In the border size வேணுமோ I can give. So for this example would be this. As you can see, this is the coffee bean image. This is the image of pineapple, carrot, and everything. So viewing this page source, you can see the coding that is being keyed in. Here I have given the width. I wanted the width to be 100. Height is in 100. Double quotes when எப்போ இருக்கணும்னா especially when the content is in text. If it is in numbers na, it is not necessary. It should be in double quotes. It's not necessary. So image source is equal to coffeebeans.jpg I have given here. அதே மாதிரி I have saved it as egg winner. So அதனால கம்ப்யூட்டர்ல it is saved as egg. So அதே spelling ஓட the same thing I have given as image in the image source. அதுக்கப்புறம் because why I emphasize on this is because இந்த இடத்துல தப்பா வந்ததுன்னா then outputல you will not be able to see. After you save it with notepadல, if you're coding it in notepad, after you save it with the .html extension, when you open it in the through any browser, if you have not keyed in the right manner as how it has been saved in the computer, then the image will not appear. So the example of the image coding, and then after image we'll look for this email links and anchors. So adding a link it makes it easier to navigate. So instead of I'm speaking from one since I started with an e-commerce website point of view, I continue with that. So இப்போ ஒரு எல்லாமே e-commerce, everything is now business is more customer oriented. So making it easier for the customer is will always give you an upper hand or even a competitive edge na solla. So இப்போ adding a link, further links in your website for further search will always be easier, make it easier for the consumer. So the more you make it easier for the consumer, the more they find it easier to interact, more they'll have business relationship. So adding a link, the basic coding is a href, as you can see, a href is equal to, and within quotes, since it's in text, within quotes the exact link, the web address, exact web address should be given. Chuma mere www.cnn.com, I don't think that will open. The exact web address should be keyed in, and then we close the anchor tag. This is A denotes anchor, so a href, and we give the site which we link in the link appear anamo, we give that, and then we close this anchor tag, we close this. So அதுக்குள்ள நடுவுல cnn அப்படினு டைப் பண்ணா that will appear, அந்த லிங்க் பக்கத்துல cnn வரும். And இந்த லிங்க்லயே லிங்க் கிளிக் பண்ணதுக்கு அப்புறமா கூகுள் சர்ச் பண்ணதுல கூகுள் சர்ச் பண்ணா we will get நிறைய ரிசல்ட்ஸ். ஸோ அதுல ஏதான ஒரு பேஜ் போயிட்டு திரும்பி when we go back to the search results, we can see that the recently visited page will appear in purple. So அந்த மாதிரி டிஃபரன்ஸ்லாம் கொண்டு வரதுக்கு we can add link, b link, a link, இந்த மாதிரி attributes in the body tag. So body tag, as we saw, body tagல தான் நம்ம bg colorலாம் கொடுத்துறணும். So அந்த bg color is equal to, you can give the required color in the double quotes, and அதுக்கப்புறமா we can also key in the a link, b link, and அந்த மாதிரி attributes அதுல கிளிக் பண்ணிக்கலாம். ஸோ அந்த மாதிரி போடுறதுனால என்ன யூஸ்னா, இப்போ ரீசெண்டாக பார்த்துட்டு வந்த வெப்சைட்னா it will appear in a different color. இப்போ கிளிக் பண்ணும்போது if you're going and clicking a particular link na, it will appear in a different color. Right when the cursor is near the link na, it will appear in a different color. Illati it will be in the usual blue color. So அந்த மாதிரி differences கொண்டு வரதுக்கு இதெல்லாம் this link, b link, and a link can be added in the body tag. So next is email, adding an email. So in case of contact or further contact abdina, if you want to add your email abdina, then again we open anchor, a href is equal to mail to semicolon email address, whatever is the email address of yours. Suppose it's manikandan87@gmail.com, and the same exact email address should be keyed in here. In the email underscore address it should be keyed in, and in the mail to without space colon, as it is you have to code. அதுக்கப்புறம் this is the label. இந்த லேபிள்ல இங்க you can either key in as send to this email, or whatever email address you have keyed in here. இங்க என்ன email address key பண்ணிருக்கீங்களோ அதே கூட இங்கேயும் பண்ணலாம். So this label is what will appear in the website, in the output page. So in the label தான் actually appear ஆகும். So அந்த label-அ click பண்ணா it will take you to this place, in the email address. So as usual, இங்க a and the tag open பண்ணதுனால we will close this here. இங்க இப்போ வந்து moving on to we've seen link and emails and then now we are moving on to anchors. இப்போ anchor அப்படின்னா நிறைய தடவை when we go to a page where there is a lot of content, we'll have to scroll down நிறைய. We have to scroll. This is one simple site only. இல்ல ரொம்ப content as such இல்ல, but you'll have to. I am scrolling down here. But இதே வேற நிறைய வெப்சைட்ஸ்லாம் போனோம்னா there'll be a lot of content, so we have to scroll and go to the bottom of the page. So இப்போ திடீர்னு I want to go to the top of the page அப்படின்னா instead of scrolling back, I can add something like this. Back to top of page அப்படின்னா I can add. This is an anchor to go to the top of the page. So if I click this, it will take me to the top of the page. If I want to go to bottom of the page now, I can go down. So these are anchors. So adding an anchor is again for easier navigation for the consumer. So it all adds easier interaction. It will be very easy because we don't really know எவ்வளோ பேர் tech savvy இருப்பாங்க. So making this easier will always be beneficial. So the link இதுக்கான coding is that a name we open anchor name is equal to அப்படினு anchor name. What is the anchor name? Top bottom அப்படினு கொடுத்துட்டு and then the label as usual is what that will appear in the website, and we'll close this anchor tag. So in the coding edukana, this is for the point in the web page where you want the user to jump to. Ipo ide at the suppose the top of the page la irukom appadina I bottom ku ponona adukku vandu anchor name will be bottom, but it will be at the top la dhaan vandu you can give it go to bottom appdi. So ana anchor name will be bottom and label will appear as go to bottom. So இதே வந்து கீழேயும் you will have to give ahref is equal to bottomல கொடுக்கணும். இந்த மாதிரி hashtag in quotes as you can see, hashtag anchor name double quotes கொடுத்ததுக்கு அப்புறம் again the label and then closing the anchor tag. So இது எதுக்குன்னா at the point in the text where you want the link to appear. So இதோட example is this. So go to the bottom of the page as I showed you previously. Go to the bottom of the page. I'll go to the bottom again. I'm showing it again. Back to the top of the page now. If I click this here, I go to the top of the page. So இதோட coding பார்த்தோம்னா இங்க வந்து I've given topல தான் link இருக்கணும். Go to bottom of page as you can see here. அதுதான். This is the link for bottom. ahref bottom. This is the label. Label அங்க போட்டுது. You can't அந்த label தான் வந்து it will appear in the website output page சொன்னேன். So அந்த label வந்து I've given it as go to bottom of page. So in the go to bottom of page as you can see அதான் இங்க வந்திருக்கு. இந்த லிங்க்குக்கு அந்த லிங்க் வந்து go to bottom of page ல appear ஆகும். So and then I close this and then anchor tag. அதுக்கப்புறம் வந்து I've given it bottomனு லிங்க் கொடுத்துருக்கேன். பட் இட் ஷுட் நோ த ஆங்கர் வந்து ஆங்கருக்கு நேம் கொடுத்தாதான் எது பாட்டம்னு ஆங்கர் நேம் கொடுத்தாதான் இட் வில் கோ. இல்லாட்டி வெறும் லிங்க் கோ டு பாட்டம்னா இட் வில் நாட் நோ விச் இஸ் பாட்டம். ஸோ அதனால அட் த லாஸ்ட் ஐ ஹவ் டு கிவ் ஆங்கர் நேம் இஸ் ஈக்குவல் டு in double quotes bottom and then close the anchor tag. So this is important. ரெண்டு இடத்துலயே கொடுத்தானா it will acknowledge that this is bottom அப்படின்னு acknowledge பண்ணி இந்த லிங்க் கிளிக் பண்ணா that is இங்க கிளிக் பண்ணா it should take me to this. So அதனால இங்க வந்து I that is at the last I give anchor name is equal to bottom. I give it at the last. The same goes for go to back to the top of page. Back to the top of page ko இதே மாதிரி wherein link வந்து I create at the bottom and அதோட href is top and the label that I want to appear அப்படிங்கிறது வந்து it is back to top of page. I close it and then இங்க வந்து anchor name வந்து top because இதுதான் top of the page. இந்த part this partக்கு தான் I want it to go to. அந்த லிங்க் கிளிக் பண்ணா கீழே இருக்கிற லிங்க் கிளிக் பண்ணா ஸோ அதனால I give it as top and then close the anchor tag. This is all about adding this anchor link, email and anchor. So next we will move on to tables. So generally table classification, form of classification and presentation will make understanding far more easier. So adanala it's essential how we will key in tables. Table எப்படி HTML ல கோட் பண்றதுங்கிறத நம்ம பார்க்கிறது it's better. So அதுக்கு வந்து we open with a table tag table அப்படிங்க and then I give style, that is the width. I want the width to be 100% of the table. So அதனால I give him this value. அதுக்கப்புறம் வந்து the table tag defines an HTML table. So only if you open this table tag will it know that you're gonna that you want this data to appear in a table format. So each table row is defined as a table row in this form. If a tr code panna, it will understand it as table row. And each table header is defined with th, table header. And each table data is defined as td thing. And then by default, the text in the th elements are bold and centered. So default the text in the table data elements are regular and left aligned. So I'll show an example. Of a table. So as you can see, this is an example of a table where I have given cell padding on the but basic coding I'll give the basic table I haven't included cell padding and all. So here this is a table with 4 columns and 4 rows. This is actually a resume. So this table, as you can see, with 4 columns and rows. And the table which I showed, adoda coding, I have entered it in a, you can see I've entered it here. So actually in this page I haven't given table border. I haven't given table border on the coding layer, but here I've given. So for example, if I haven't given table border, if I run border illama, this is how it will actually appear. This is the coding, anga kamchade coding that has been keyed in here. So usually table tag open panna, as usual it has to be closed. And usually any tag that is opened, it has to be closed. An exception is the break tag, which we saw at first. Nadi first kamcha in the BR tag na. This is an empty tag. This is close panona avasiyam illa. Idu just idu ipdi open pannala. Closing is this slash oda pandrathu. Adu in the BR tag ku avasiyam illa. This is an exception. So moving on, going back to tables. So table row, this tr denotes table row. So in the table row this is the table row. In the first table row is this first name, last name and age is the first table row. So usually HTML we can code in row wise. So under first table row first heading I want it to be first name. So I open and close the table heading tag. And last name is the second heading in that same table row. And third heading is age. I open and close the table heading tag. And then இதோட எனக்கு வந்து I want the row to end. அதனால I close the table row tag. So this is how first row is the explanation behind that. And இதே second row, there are 4 rows. So இப்போ next rowல வந்து the data, எனக்கு என்ன டேட்டாவோ அது வந்து I want to enter. So அதனால வந்து next row I have to open with tr. And then now this time it is not the table heading, it is the table data. So I open and close the table data tag, and inside this opening and closing of these tags I write the text that which is the table data. First name is Jill, last name is Smith, and age is 15. So this second row I again open the tr tag, table data, second row the table data வந்து Eve Jackson 94. இதெல்லாம் வந்து since here first heading is first name, and இங்க வந்து table dataல Jill, இங்க வந்து Eve, and இங்க வந்து John. First data என்னவா இருக்கோ அதுதான் அந்த first heading கீழே வரும். So you have to be careful because first name இங்க கொடுத்து அதுக்கு நேரா கரஸ்பாண்டிங்கா அடுத்த டேபிள் ரோல என்ன first enter பண்றோமோ that will only appear in the first column அப்படிதான் appear ஆகும். So since we code in row wise, we have to be very conscious of this. So first இங்க வந்து table heading இங்க வந்து first name அப்படின்னு கொடுத்து பண்ணதுனால இங்க வந்து this first type in பண்ற table data வந்து it will come under this first name column. So after the row ends, I close it with the table row tag after each row ends. And அதுக்கப்புறமா வந்து this is all அவ்வளவுதான், this is my table. I want இதுக்கப்புறம் வேற எதுவும் table டேட்டாவும் இல்லை, இதுக்கப்புறம் வேற ரோஸும் கிடையாது. So I close the table tag, close the body tag, and also I'll close the HTML tag. So இப்போ இதே if I add the border, I give the border, appears with a border. So always the table now border is important. So with border will be better. So this is one example. Another example which I forgot was this email thing. manikandan87@gmail.com. Idoda coding pona we will be able to see the email whatever. ahref is equal to mail to, the same thing we have to code. ஆனா இங்க email address வந்து you have to key in the email address which is the actual email address, and this is the label part. அந்த label part தான் வந்து appear ஆகும். So அந்த label part click பண்ணா இந்த email ஐடிக்கு கொண்டு போகும். So இங்க வந்து label part வந்து இந்த mail ஐடியாவே கொடுக்கலாம், இல்லனா வந்து send this to my email அப்படினும் கொடுக்கலாம். So that depends. And then after the label முடிஞ்ச உடனே கொடுத்த உடனே we close it, close the anchor tag. So this is all about table, basic table with 3 rows and 3 columns பார்த்தோம். Then next we will move on to forms. So a form is usually form na sonale we will have the idea of user giving in their inputs, their information, entering their input and information. So this is a very important for an e-commerce website. Since I started with that point of view, I'm still continuing with that. So user giving in their address, usually for delivery purposes and other details. For more customization it will help having more details about the customers. Since nowadays customization is actually the key. So forms will really help. And forms la vandu example, I show an example of HTML. this is one example which I actually did. So this is the form for enrollment for a tuition center or online educational platform, anything நான் கூட வச்சுக்கலாம். So இங்க வந்து I've asked name, so the user can give in their name, which can be anything. I continue with the table example. So Jill, I'm giving the name Jill, and then class, I know their class, and then address. Since name and class, when you can end with a other, usually it will be small nalla adukku ivladha. This is the text space we give, but address ku a lot of text space will be required andnala we give a larger text space. And then student or teacher அப்படினா. So adukku vandu we have given radio buttons. These are radio buttons. It will help us select only one option. You can't select both. Student நான் இங்க select பண்ணிட்டேனா, if I'm choosing teacher now, then ரெண்டுமே செலக்ட் ஆகாது. So this is the radio button. And then subjects வந்து, for subjects I've given check boxes. So the striking difference between this and radio button and a checkbox is that in a checkbox it will allow you to select multiple items. So subjects have given this, and this is a drop down menu. Timings, enna mari timings, sessions 6 a.m. to 8 a.m. mari timings. I've selected this. அதுக்கப்புறம் வந்து suppose this is the submit button. If I now click submit, the answer that the submission, that form, that will be sent to the server on the server page, and இது வந்து திரும்ப refresh ஆகி for the next form respondent it will be there refreshed for them to enter their information. So this is an example of a form. So இங்க வந்து the text, usually formல வந்து this text க்கு கொடுக்கிற coding is usually for name, first name, last name, or else class, something like that. அதுக்கேத்த மாதிரி the label will change, but the coding is the same. Label will allow change, and text area usually the மாதிரி rows and columns specify பண்ணி பண்றது வந்து usually for a message that will require a lot of space. For example, address type பண்றது கொஞ்சம் நிறைய இருக்கும்ன்றதுனால we give use this text area input type. This input type is text. One minute, I'll show another example of forms. So this first name க்கு வந்து here they have keyed in as John. So இங்க it appears as John. Value வந்து John appear ஆகுது. இதுல வந்து first name க்கு usually first name or last name or class or anything, input type is usually text. Class maybe you can also not necessarily it should be text, but usually in the madri first name last name க்கு input type, preferred input type is text. The various other input types which we saw is the text area, adukaprom radio button and check boxes, drop downs and the madri drop down. Here we do not type it as drop down, input type drop down solla we say it as data list. So this is the example for a field text, input type text. So next example for a text area is this one. So as we go to this page source, text area, address kanera text area I've given rows and columns. usually text area we should mention the rows and columns so that we get in the space, this whole text box in the size appo we will get. So address you usually address or any other data that requires a lot of input. So adukku vandu we use text area. And then in case of a radio button, example of a radio button is this one. So the student or teacher, that is the radio button. So anga vandu input type, as you can see, this is the input type, a radio nav given. And going back to the presentation, as we saw, radio buttons only let us use select only one of a limited number of choices. So here I've given one example of the use gender, male or female, and the madri option. I've given this coding, which I'll subsequently show the example also. So this is the coding which I presented. We present another the radio button the coding. So here I have given the input type as radio and ID as male. Name since male, female, these are all come under the ambit of gender. So name is given as gender, and then the value as given as value what the response that should be sent to the server. ஸோ அங்கே காமிச்சேன் இந்த மாதிரி சப்மிட் சொன்ன உடனே இங்கே கீஇன் செலக்ட் பண்ணது எல்லாமே போயிடுச்சு. ஸோ இங்கே கீஇன் பண்ணது இந்த இதெல்லாம் இட் கோ டு த சர்வர் பேஜ் வேர் இல் பி ஃபர்தர் ப்ராசஸிங். ஸோ அங்கே போகிற அந்த சர்வர் பேஜ்க்கு போகிற டேட்டா தான் தட் இஸ் நோன் த டேட்டா இஸ் த வேல்யூ. ஸோ அது மேல் அப்படின்னா வி கிவ் இட் மேல். அண்ட் தென் நெக்ஸ்ட் ஆப்ஷன் இஸ் ஃபீமேல். அதுக்கப்புறமா நெக்ஸ்ட் ஆப்ஷன் இஸ் அதர். ஸோ இதுக்கு we open the label tag. ஸோ லேபிள் லேபிள் ஆல்வேஸ் லேபிள் டேக் ஓப்பன் பண்ணி க்ளோஸ் பண்ணி அதுக்கு நடுவில் கொடுக்குற டெக்ஸ்ட் will always appear. That is the text that will appear in the output page as we saw earlier. So அதான் the male, female and other. So அதுக்கு label. So I'm opening and closing, and எல்லாத்துக்குமே this BR tag is essential because அப்பதான் அடுத்த லைன்ல வரும். So இந்த BR tag இல்ல அப்படின்னா it might come continuously in a straight line. If you prefer that, then it's okay, but usually options if it is sequentially in the madri sequentially next to next vertically irundadana it will be better. So BR tag போடுறது it's important. And after radio buttons, we'll now look for check boxes. So check boxes, as we saw, example, I gave an example for checkbox with subjects. So checkbox will let the user select more options, more than one. Radio button, only one can be chosen. Ide checkbox, more than one can be chosen. So idukku the coding I have given here is regarding the vehicle. In case of a survey abdina, what is the survey la usually the purpose of an actual question might be something else, but it should be reduced down to a very easy, simpler, interactive question. So usually it will be asked like what is the type of vehicle you have, or what are the number of vehicles you have. So on the question, what are the options that I will key in? We will see here. So here, if suppose if the question online survey question is what is the type of vehicle you have, what is the mode of transport you have, there is a question. அண்ட் அந்த சர்வேல நான் கொடுக்குற ஆப்ஷன்ஸ் வந்து பைக், கார் அண்ட் போட் அப்படி இருக்கு அப்படின்னா ஹவு தட் ஷுட் அப்பியர் இன் மை வெப்சைட் அப்படின்னா அந்த ஆப்ஷன்ஸ்க்கு வந்து ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ஐ கிவ் a checkbox as an option because one might possess a bike and also a car or only a car, so we might not know. So அதனால வந்து input type is checkbox here. And ID வந்து is vehicle 1, name vehicle 1. Value is the thing that will be processed. அதுதான் வந்து at the end of now why I have given the example of a survey is because here we will get to know the importance of value because surveyல வந்து கடைசியா ஆஃப்டர் இப்போ இன் கேஸ் ஆஃப் கூகுள் ஃபார்ம்ஸ்லாம் யூஸ் பண்ணோம்னா ஒரு சர்வேக்கு தி எண்ட் ஆஃப் த டே when we check for the number of responses for this option யார் யார் என்ன சூஸ் பண்ணியிருக்காங்கன்னு ஒரு தெரியும். ஸோ அந்த வேல்யூ த டேட்டா தட் இஸ் ஷோன் அதுதான் வந்து இந்த வேல்யூ த டேட்டா தட் வில் பி சென்ட் டு த சர்வர் தட் இஸ் த வேல்யூ. So this is very important. Value வந்து பைக்னு கொடுத்துட்டு and as usual the label for this vehicle one is I have a bike. So இந்த I have a bikeங்கிற label தான் as you can see checkbox பக்கத்துல it appears I have a bike, I have a car, subsequently I have a boat அந்த மாதிரி it appears. So this is the understanding behind this. And அதுக்கப்புறம் வந்து next we will move on to this drop down. So as you can see drop down வந்து we specify it as data list. So this specifies the predefined options for an input element. So the இதுமே வந்து is another form of giving options for the user to choose from. But இது வந்து here என்ன ஆப்ஷன்ஸ் இந்த இங்கே வந்து ட்ராப் டவுனுக்கு நான் என்ன ஆப்ஷன்ஸ் கொடுத்துருக்கேன் அப்படின்னா த ப்ரௌசர்ஸ் டிஃப்ரெண்ட் டைப் ஆஃப் ப்ரௌசர்ஸ் அதுதான் வந்து எக்ஸாம்பிளாக நான் எடுத்திருக்கேன். ஸோ அதுக்கான கோடிங் ஆல்சோ ஐ வில் ஷோ ஹவு இட் வில் அப்பியர் இந்த திஸ் திங் இதில் வந்து டைமிங்ஸ் வாஸ் த எக்ஸாம்பிள். previously இதுக்கு வந்து இதுக்கு இந்த drop downக்கு I said I have taken browsers. So but இதுக்கு வந்து I have taken timings and options were different timings and sessions. Since இங்க வந்து I have taken browsers, different types of browsers are Chrome, Microsoft Edge and various other browsers are there. So adalanana it will appear. So I'll give the BR tag here so that it appears so that is the example for drop down. And கடைசியா வந்து you can see submit button. So submit button க்கு வந்து again I'll show the example. Here it is and the coding kana here what I've entered, the same thing. This is one example, and also the submit button. We go to the page source, again we will see the same thing, type is submit. So here input type is submit, value is also submit. So adu kudutha it will take it for server page, it will properly. So that is all. So on the whole, we saw what HTML is. From starting, we saw what HTML is, what it stands for, and everything. And we saw structure of a web page, how it should be. It should start with HTML tag, end with one, and header tag header or opening and closing tag the title. And when we open the body tag, then we should on the website content we should key in that and the content inside the website should be keyed in inside the body tag. So we saw that. We saw text formatting, how the text should appear. Bold coding and Calica mark deleted, subscripted or superscripted. And then in case of lists, the ordered list, unordered list. And we also saw nested list, where in ordered list there is one unordered list. There can also be an ordered list inside an unordered list. So list list is a nested list. And we saw how to add an image, the coffee bean JPG. And then next month we saw adding link, emails and anchors. And we saw about tables, with a simple 3-row, 3-column table, how to do. And then we saw about forms, how form is the instrument, it acts as a tool for the user to give in their information, which will be further processed. So other one, it's very vital for any e-commerce website. So next one, the input types, different types of input types. Text is used for usually for names, and then text area is for a message. And then we saw radio buttons, check boxes, drop down and submit button. So like how drop down I showed the timings, 6 a.m. to 8 a.m. or 9 a.m. On the Madrid, the browsers will appear. Firefox, Chrome, Opera, different type, Internet Explorer or Microsoft Edge. And the drop down in the 6 a.m. 9 a.m. that will appear in case of a browser example I use pannirundena. Browser option value la kuduthirundena adu vandirukum. Ide radio button we saw male, female thing, or even from the activity which I did, student, teacher, and that I used a radio button. Check boxes, we saw it lets us choose more than one option. So the current example I showed subjects, and this survey example, bike, car, boat. Then submit button is very important because that will only take it to the server page and for further processing. So that is it. Thank you.
Vishnu, thank you for your wonderful presentation, ma. Really, it's an eye-opening for us because I'm having zero knowledge in this thing, but today I got a very few inputs from you, and actually you told that it's a basic program, but for us, I think you have to teach us each and every slide one day. In that way, we need some more inputs. I hope others who are not having this knowledge will be having the same mind thought. And before your discussion, I will invite Viveka Ram, our project director, to give some few words about your presentation. and about Ecoversity, our program. Okay. Then after that, we can start the discussion. And in the meantime, you have already informed me, about that exercise. Okay. So if you are having any note for that, kindly share that in the screen so that the participants can take up and they can give their output through our through mail to ecoversity@gmail.com. Okay. So you kindly prepare for that. In the meantime, Vivekaram can take up the forum.
Yeah. Thank you. Thank you, Vishnupriya, for the presentation. It was really wonderful, actually. But this coding, when we are teaching, actually, the tags, I'm also from software background, so I'm able to understand. So when we are giving for the beginners, as Ms. Narmada told, for each, for example, when we are explaining header tag, for that itself, we can have a separate session. For tables, we can have a separate session so that the beginners can understand easily. But the program is very, very wonderful. You have, I mean, you explained everything about HTML in one session. That is awesome, actually. Keep up the good work. So in future also, we will have so many programs embedded in this coding. So all the best. So let me now read out the COWISE Ecoversity about that learning program. So good morning. Welcome you all to COWISE Ecoversity Learning Program. COWISE Foundation, with utmost care for the society and mankind, is promoting the value of education, mainly based on the learning ideology of Sri Rabindranath Tagore. The paramount objective is to make the fundamentals of life to reach the core society with clear thoughts and ideas. In this mission, COWISE Ecoversity facilitates by sowing the seed of need-based pedagogy. The world of learning specific to the Renaissance has become imminent due to fundamentals being carried away by advanced knowledge. COWISE Ecoversity is providing the platform to all who are interested to learn through exploration. It emphasizes on freedom of learning on the beneficiary's proposal. COWISE Ecoversity imbibed the informal learning ideology of Sri Rabindranath Tagore, who made a reform in freedom of education. The founder of COWISE Education, Mrs. Surya Narmada, follower of Sri Rabindranath Tagore's education ideology, conducted many trainings in the field of agriculture, and the results were overwhelming. The same is tried to be repeated in our schools. Thoughts of Sri Rabindranath Tagore in learning system. Sri Rabindranath Tagore's ideology emphasized to absorb and learn subconsciously at one's own pace, giving them a self-motivated open model of education concerning the importance of freedom in education. He also recognized the importance of arts for developing understanding and compassion and the necessity for a cherished relationship with one's cultural and natural environment. He saw learning as a medium for appreciating the prosperous aspects of other cultures while maintaining one's own cultural specificity. We always believe in a learning system which leads to aspiration, giving freedom of power in our language, creativity, balancing with our environment, finally, freedom from ignorance. In general, he envisaged an education that was deeply rooted in one's immediate surroundings, but connected to the cultures of the wider world, predicated upon pleasurable learning and individualized to the personality of the child. He felt that a curriculum should revolve originally around nature, with classes held in the open air under the trees to provide for a spontaneous appreciation of the fluidity of the plant and animal kingdoms and seasonal changes. COWISE Ecoversity initiated two types of schools. Farm school. Farmers are the nerve line of our nation, and their empowerment is the need of the hour to make them self-sustained. Farmers and rural youth should have an awareness on the current trend in agriculture and also has to be taught on the basis of scientific agriculture technique and reasons for adapting the same. This will empower them and the labor can be put into efficient usage. At the same time, it is the need of the hour to strengthen the farmers in other agriculture and rural related activities so that they can source out income during lean season of agriculture. For knowing more about this, you can visit our website kfcoa.org. Infed School. Infed School of Cowais Ecoversity also encourages informal learning program of the human beings through discussions, mentorship, and explorative learning, thereby bringing meaningful personal and social development. We facilitate such learning systems by connecting them to the subject matter specialist of their field of interest. So thank you all. So this is the concept of Ecoversity of the Cowais Foundation. The program which we conducted is under Infed School, that is the informal education. You may also inform your friends who are interested in this, so that their topic of interest they can share with us. Basically, this is the sharing of knowledge, which is the, need of the hour. So thank you.
Thank you very much, Mrs. Viveka. I think the forum is to Vishnu Priya, and the participants can ask their doubts if any. And before that, I like to get the contact number of Mr. Sai Manivannan, then Saju, and another one, Maharajan. Okay, if you are able to share your contact numbers, it will be useful for us and we can be in connect. And in our learning system right now, we are missing the nature, the learning in nature because of this COVID pandemic. So first we are going with the digital classrooms, and in near future, we will be going with offline sessions too. So other Saju, Sai Manivana and Markandan Maharajan, kindly share your numbers so that we can add you in our group, and we will be informing the future programs. Okay, Vishnu, you can start now.
This is one activity which I had done. So this is a website for a product, product that I had chosen, which was Agarbatti. So I've named the product as Sugandh Agarbattis, and as you can see, I've used text formatting here. It appears in italic, and this is example of ordered list. So whatever I had learned in the basics of HTML, actually what I learned the basics over a span of few weeks. So I just, within this 1 hour, I just wanted to give a brief insight of how the coding actually happens, and that's it. So if you could really understand, it would be nice if you were able to code your own website for your own product. So I'll also display the coding basic thing. You can use, it's enough, it would be nice if you use only the text formatting and adding an image, something like this, or image of the product you choose, and a few lines about the product, and then list of the flavors or the types, the fragrances, or whichever attribute according to the attributes of your product. So it would be nice if you could come up with a website for your product which shall include text formatting, adding an image and list. So feel free to present your screen if you are able to do it.
Okay. If they are able to do, means kindly do that thing and mail to ecoversity@gmail.com so that we can send it to Mrs. Vishnu Priya and Viveka Ram, and we can get the feedback from them. And another one thing, today we learned one thing, that Vishnu Priya is right now, she is around 18 to 19 years old. Okay. But now she is able to share her knowledge, and she is giving some eye-opening session for the people who is around 40 or 45. Okay, so this is the real education part, what we want to do. There is no age bar, no perfect education qualification. We need it, but even if they are having a very good skill, that can be transferred to the other person, and it will be a very supportive system for the community. So that way, I thank Vishnu Priya for this wonderful presentation. And if any others you are having any doubts, kindly ask. If there is no doubt, I think we can close this session. and kindly send us the feedback and also what we can do in future in these type of programs. If you are having any innovative ideas, kindly share with us.
Thank you so much, Auntie, for providing me this platform. I'm definitely sure this serves as a very big learning experience for me. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Very grateful.
Thank you all the participants. I think we can end up the meeting here, and we shall meet again in one another session. Thank you.
Thank you.